Who says intelligence is only a privilege for new cars? Have you ever faced unclear accountability in distracted driving accidents? Do you really feel at ease when you walk away from your car? Need to tear apart your dash for every upgrade? The 10 Pro Next-Gen Android Car Smart Hub solves it all. The P10 Pro Next-Gen Android Car Smart Hub features a dedicated metal mount. Installs easily, stays secure. Just 1 minute to give your ride new intelligence. Auto-nap cup holder battery plus fast charge lighter adapter included. No wiring, just plug and play.
Pico, take me to Springer Mountain Campground.
All right, driving to Springer Mountain Campground.
Anti-glare QLED clarity in any light, any angle, delivering a wide, distraction-free view of the road. Auto brightness display. The built-in light sensor automatically optimizes screen brightness for any lighting condition.
Play my road trip playlist.
P10 Pro features a built-in TwinSight dual recording system that simultaneously captures both the road ahead and the interior cabin view, ensuring true synchronized recording without missing a moment. If a collision is detected, the P10 Pro instantly captures 3 photos and a 30-second emergency video. The system automatically tags this as a protected event, so it won't be overwritten by regular recordings. If a severe accident is detected, the P10 Pro uploads the incident photos to the cloud and sends an alert to your emergency contacts.
Check my car's status.
With OBD,
summary
you can
of your
keep track
car's
of your
current
vehicle's
status.
health status. When fuel runs low, live OBD alerts suggest nearby gas stations.
There's a stored code P0457.
Pico, find a supermarket near me.
I've found several supermarkets nearby.
Navigate to the first one.
Wireless camera, get rear or front view without any wires or drilling. Low power 72-hour watch. Parking collision detected. The system activates immediately. Records the scene, uploads the video to the cloud, and notifies you. After shopping, SSHub saves a parking photo and location, so finding the car is easy. Wakes up in just 2 seconds and automatically restores your last screen. Inside, AI vision spots sleeping kids or pets and lowers the volume with gentle safety reminders.
Pico Premium Bluetooth LED message sign.
Turn on road condition monitoring.
Road condition monitoring is now on.
Detects unusual weather and road conditions, giving real-time voice alerts.
Turn on the ambient lights.
Built-in TwinSight system records your entire drive. Tap to replay key clips instantly. Relive your journeys with Frame's dynamic digital albums. At home, the SSHub application enables quick remote checks that the car is safe and all occupants are okay.